friends, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the Spring Fireplace Decor Collaboration 2025. Our hosts are Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget, and our guest host is At Home with Shawanda. Please check out their amazing channels and all the wonderful ladies in the playlist. And gentlemen, if there's any that joins in. Here is our mantle for Easter 2025. First of all, we have our candle in the first candle holder. Our garland is eggs and bird's nests. I created this design. It's peach and light blue roses, an Easter egg and some greenery on another one of those candle holders. There's our more bird eggs. I did this lantern and I added the same color roses and some peonies and some black harlequin and pink and white buffalo check ribbon. And then I added one of the blue birds in the lantern. I added this garland that's got a cross. And our banner is vintage Easter cards with little chicks on them. And the pink and blue roses is a napkin that I Mosh Podged on there. And each one of them has little different Easter greetings, which I thought was really cute. I found these on Pinterest. You can just print them up and use them in your decor. I guess there isn't anything more cheap or budget friendly than something you can just print out free. And this was one napkin that I already had, so everything was actually items I already had. I didn't buy more of. Even the roses was in my stash. The bunny. And I had this birdhouse for a long time. I just repainted it. So, you know, some things, if you have them in your stash, you can always repaint them. Give them a new life. The lantern I already had. I've had it for years. I just added more different color flowers on the top and added the bird inside. These pedestals, I probably made them 15 years ago myself, and I brought them out and I hadn't used them in years. And I kind of repurposed those too, so it's okay to repurpose things to make your decor different. it.